Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to ESPN's Ultimate Eating Competition. And as you can see out on the field, Leroy Conway is limbering up for his first bout of the night. Leroy has performed very well in this exhibition so far, and tonight he is facing 3 of his toughest challengers. It looks like the food to be consumed is hot dogs. Leroy should feel very good about that. And looks like his competitor is just coming down to the arena now. And they've begun. And the competition is over.
You're gonna get as much mileage out of that shark costume as possible. Mark my words.